Hi, it's me, Zayfo Beeblebrox, the British tech guru. This is the grenade that came from Temu, and rather than pulling the pin and having it explode in my face, I shall defuse it. So I shall just go in here, just like that. And it has now been defused. So it obviously takes two coin cells, or two button cells rather. So let us see exactly what's in this thing. And it's a fun little thing, but more decorative, more fun for its decorative aspect than for the silly noises it makes. And I have to say, I think most electronic noises are, well, quite frankly, just silly. And I'm one of the oddballs that, when I was growing up, I used to turn the sound off on all my electronic games. I hated the noise. Mind, in later years, that came. I hate noise in later years for another reason. That's because the noise I was subjected to for a long time when I was in a rather unpleasant situation. Anyway, let us see if we can get this thing undone. I think it's coming close to being undone. So let's see. Will this come apart now? Oh yes. Quite nicely too. Okay. Oh, we have quite a nice little speaker there. Ah, I see. The sound comes through a little chip. I don't know if you can see that there, but there's a little black chip. It's kind of all on one circuit board. Okay, kind of interesting, unique little chip. And interesting. I can put it all back together. Well, let's get this pin back in here. That goes back in there like that. Well, the whole thing fits. Whoops. Let's just put it into place. Ah, I see. There we go. Push that wire back in there. So it's been quite an interesting little thing to take apart. Very simply made. And screw it back together. And I think these noises are rather silly that these electronics make, but some people like them. I'm not one of those people, but it takes all sorts to make a world. That was about as simple as I thought it would be. I was hoping for a microprocessor in there, but and there clearly is a microprocessor within that little chip. Let's get that into there. Let's get this back in here. So we've got one battery, got two batteries. Now let's just quick test. Oh dear, I've blown myself up. What a shame. Okay, and we'll just screw that back in there. It's a cheap little thing from Temu, and I just like the look of it rather than anything else. I've got a better one on the way, one that looks a bit more convincing. So just, come on, we'll just put this back in there, like that. Oh dear, that. Right, we're going to get this screw in there, just like that. And going to insert him. And there we go, disassembled and reassembled in record time.